Hello, my name is Mohammed Parpia. I'm one of the directors of SR&ED here at Ryan, and today we're going to be talking about a holistic approach to securing government funding. There are lots of different forms of government support out there, 500-600 different types of grants across various levels of government. So how do you make the most of it? You need to plan, you need to look forward. You can't just approach things haphazard and expect the maximum level of government support. You need to lay out the funding roadmap. What sort of grants are available? Where is your project going? Do you need hiring and training? Is there R&D? Is there commercialization? There are different grants available for any and all of these different areas. And once you have planned that, then you need to prioritize different funding sources based on your project. What programs will work together? What expenses will work together? And if you have any questions, reach out to one of the Ryan MentorWorks specialists or visit us at ryan.com. Thank you.